hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. If you are around, stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Yeah, hello viewers. If you are watching me, I'm saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my fellow viewers. I'm John K. If today is your first time of watching my YouTube channel, you are free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that whenever I have a message, you will get it automatically. So today's message, I want to give the title, which country are easily granted asylum? Which country of origin are asylum seeking or refugees being granted easily? Well, according to United Nations law, normally there is no any country that is superstitious or superior in the United Nations to be granted asylum in case when they have any political issue. There is no any country. When a question like that comes, which country of origin can be granted asylum seeker or a refugees so easily or so quickly, I will tell you there is no any country. Brothers, there is no any country that is being granted easily, depending on the condition of the country. Like example, what has been passing or have been happening in Myanmar for so many years ago. It has been occurred in Myanmar. What has been occurring in Myanmar, for example, brothers, if you are a citizen of Myanmar and you are able to escape to Denmark, it doesn't mean Myanmar are not acceptable in Denmark. Or you go to United Kingdom, it doesn't mean United Kingdom will not accept you, Myanmar, depending on where you are able to survive. If you are able to escape to any peaceful country, then and you seek asylum there, you are going to be granted. You are going to be granted. Or you take for example a country like Pakistan. There have been so many years of wars, Taliban attacks in Pakistan, Afghanistan as well. There have been war. There are many years of war and attacks. Some people commit suicide, and there's everyday political disasters going on in Pakistan and Afghanistan. So such places, if you manage to cross to go to Argentina, imagine a Pakistan citizen flying to Argentina is going to cost him a lot of money. But how managed is he going to survive to Argentina, which will be so far for him? So it's better he go nearby country like Iran. So if a Pakistan man managed his way to Iran, he is supposed to be granted an asylum. He must be granted an asylum. But beloved, sometimes religious aspects are also being inflated in this asylum. Religious inflation is also in this way of asylum. Like a country like Somalia, who have been also facing a lot of many years of Al-Shabaab with bombarding the nation, the citizens of Somalia. Mostly, Somalia is a Muslim country. So if Somalia man manage his way to Saudi Arabia, because Somalia is a Muslim country, he managed himself to Saudi Arabia. Probably he's going to be granted stay there. Saudi Arabia, he's going to be granted stay there. Or he goes to Yemen. If he likes to settle there, he goes to Yemen. Yemen also can grant him asylum. And on behalf of he being a Muslim also, he can have the joy of settling there. But in other religions, if you are a Christian, you go to a place like Saudi Arabia, automatically for you to have your peace, it's better you change to be a Muslim. You should become like them. You should become like a Muslim. Or else, if you are a Christian and you can't be, don't want to be a Muslim, then why do you go to Saudi Arabia? It's better you look forward to a Christian country that you go. Maybe you are from Somalia, the same Somalia, and you want to seek asylum, and you go to South Africa. South Africa don't have problem whether you are a Muslim or a Christian. But some religious countries like Saudi Arabia or Yemen or Iran, probably you have to be a Muslim. They will not force you, but the treatment you are going to achieve, brother, I believe it cannot make you to keep on being a Christian. Yes, as I'm saying, such places, when you become a Muslim, you will survive your asylum as well, and you will have your peace. But when you are a Christian, you will never have peace. But a Christian from example, from Cameroon, and there is political disasters, political confusion in your country, and you leave Cameroon, you go to USA, you go to United States of America, and you are a Christian, you go to America, even if you are a Muslim. There's some countries like that, whether you are a Muslim, you are a Hindu, you are a Buddhist, you are whatever you be, Hare Krishna, no problem for America. All those Christian countries, they understand, but some Muslim countries, it's not easy. I think you have to be like a Muslim. That will make you get your peace. That will make you get your peace, my brothers. If you are watching me, the message again is, which country of origin are granted asylum very quickly? There is no country, as I mentioned. There's no any country which are being granted as an asylum very quickly and very easily. There's no other country, brother. Every country are allowed to be granted an asylum due to the consequences, due to the political situation, ongoing political issues in the country. That will let you, where you go, you should be granted an asylum. But I first say again, religious aspects are also included in some countries. Yes, like for Germany, for example. Germany, whatever religion you are in, you'll be granted asylum due to the political situation ongoing political issues in your country. No matter the religion you are, when they consider your status, or they consider your story with your identity, you'll be granted an asylum. You'll be granted an asylum, brother. For Germany or European Union, the 27 nations, European Union, everywhere you settle, they will grant you asylum. Look at Italy. Italy have been saving thousands, tens of thousands of people from sub-Saharan African, from North Africa, all enter their way to Italy from Libya. And Italy is a Catholic country. It's a Christian country. They have been rescuing every day. So today, during this Corona period, they have been rescuing people on the Mediterranean. People are still coming from Libya, and many will still die in the waters. Brothers, if you are listening to me, don't do that. I will advise you, don't cross the Mediterranean. You are risking your life. The time when the water is swallowing you, you'll be saying, had I known, I would have stayed in my country. Why will we take all this risk because you want to go to Europe? Europe is not all that people think. Europe is not what people think. You are not going to find it easy also in Europe. But because the law in Europe is law abiding, people are law abiding. People are law abiding. Europe are law-abiding people. That is the reason why sometimes the living standard here is more advanced. But it's not that it's easy, brother. It's also not easy. I don't mean Africa are not law-abiding. Africa, there is law, but the corruption is too much. The corruption of some people, of the leaders, are too much. That's the reason why things are not going well the way we want it. So as I'm saying, no matter what country you are coming from, whether you're coming from Somalia, you are coming from Kenya, you are coming from Cameroon, you are coming from Nigeria, you are coming from Ghana, you are coming from Togo, you are coming from any other country that has ongoing political situation. Maybe you plan your way to Italy as part of EU. You come to Italy as your first nation. You jump from Italy, you go to Belgium. But maybe Italy, you did not seek asylum. You just stay there for a while and you come to Belgium. You come to Belgium, you settle there, you seek asylum. Once they confirm your status, your identification, that truly you are from where you said you come from, you'll be granted asylum. You will be granted asylum, brothers. You'll be granted asylum. So I just want to give these teachings because many people have been asking me for my previous video I made about refugees stories. And as far as I've also been through, I want to share all these messages as part of my own experience for others to learn. So if you are watching me, I said it again, every country of origin is entitled to seek an asylum, except a peaceful countries. When you are from a peaceful country in Africa, example, peaceful country in Africa like let me use for now Egypt. You know, Egypt for the past year they have ongoing political disaster because of the former president overthrown. There was a little bit bad issue there. Anyone who traveled to that area will be granted an asylum. So if you are hearing me, I would like to end here with this message. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is more videos ahead. Take care. Bye.